Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie by name. So, how are you all doing? To my new subscriber, welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I sincerely appreciate you. And don't forget to give this video a like. So, just like I promised in my live stream today, being Sunday 11th of May 2025, for the past 7 days now, we have been in blackout, no water, no electricity. And I promise you all that I'm going to be taking you to I will get some video clips on me going to a nearby well and a stream to wash clothes, to do some laundry. So here are the clothes, so I want to go wash them, the nearby well. These clothes include my 2 children, my husband, and my own. So I'm taking them there now to go and wash. Because if I'm to buy water, honestly, I'll spend more to wash these clothes. They are more than like 1 week, more than a week, since I last washed these clothes. So let me go and do that this morning. So let me take you all along with me. Let's go and see the place and do the laundry together as well. So here is the stream. It's just a small stream, and I'm also going to be showing you the well and the fetcher that we used for fetching the water. So this stream does not dry. It's on like 247, year in, year out. So let me drop my things so I can show you the well. So here is the well. Let me drop my phone here. Here is the well. There's a fetcher inside. Let's see. The well is not too deep, just like 2 times draw. So once I'm done fetching, I'm going to be, washing clothes, and I will show you. So this well has really been of help, because for the past 1 week that we have not had electricity, no water. It has really helped a lot of us here in this community. Honestly, it has not been easy. It is better to live without electricity than to live without water. Water is life. Water is life. Water is everything, you know. So let me know from the comment section, do you prefer electricity or you prefer water? Let me hear your own side. As for me, I prefer water to electricity. So, but where we are, no electricity, no light, no water, because we need electricity to pump water. So that is it. So meaning that now one cannot do without the other. I'm done fetching the water. That other side, someone is washing also. Down the stream there, someone is washing too. Yes, for since I didn't take the person's permission, that's why I didn't record it when the person was washing there. He just left her, so I decided to record that side. So that is well over there, and I'm here washing. I'm here washing, like for the past 1 week I've not washed clothes. So you can imagine the kids, office wears and all that. The thing is that I really spoiled hubby. Before now, he used to wash his clothes by himself before we got married. But ever since we got married and I started washing his clothes, I've made him feel lazy. Because weekend that he doesn't even go to work, like he find it difficult to wash clothes. When I mean to wash clothes,
He find it difficult to wash his own clothes, not to even talk of washing other people's one. But when time will tell, because as time goes on, he will start washing. He will start washing because I will get to a stage that I will need help with washing. Except maybe he will buy washing machine. That will be better. Otherwise, he will start washing clothes too, and even everyone's clothes, everybody's clothes in the family. Yes. So it's a lot of clothes here to wash, hand wash. Oh well, I'll take my time to wash them. So I'm done and I'm going back home. I'm heading home now. So see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like and drop your comments. One love everyone.